that's not me. I'm a ghost in the sheets. Well, is there something that you like about her? Yes, I like the way that her body bends in half. And is there something that you love about her? No, there ain't a woman in this world I won't let go. Come on, baby, we get along. Please don't you spoil it. Don't step us wrong.